race number 8, women's 300 meter small boat heat number 3. In lane 1, it's Amphi. Lane 2, we got Manila Ocean Park, Maharlika, Dracon in lane 3, and the Philippine Coast Guard in lane 4. Lane 4 right now, Philippine Coast Guard in the lead. Followed closely behind by Maharlika, Dracon, but it seems like Amphi right now.
Go, Amphi! Amphi!
Ay, mag-pull ng ano? Kalangka ka eh. Yun.
Go, Amphi!
Lane 1 and 4. Paddling hard.
Ay, patay. Paglag ng number 1. Wala nang power. Oo, umabot na yun. Nakakapagod lang. Talo ko din. Wala na. Number 1 na. Lane 3. Tingnan mo, puro lungs lang yung ano guys.
Seems like lanes 1, 3, and 4 at it neck to neck right now.
Parang training nila. Importante sa kanila yung point. Ang point, ha? Kali mo uli.
And it seems like only milliseconds will separate the team in this race.